Technical calculation of bullish probability of the main altcoins and most promising categories. Today, September 4th, Artificial Intelligence.
I am not a financial advisor, and nothing you see in this video should be considered investment advice.
We will first analyze the top 40 altcoins with the highest market cap in the category, and then we will do a second analysis of low-cap altcoins with less than 10 million market cap. Let's go with the first one. This analysis provides a quantitative and objective score for the bullish potential of each altcoin, specifically tailored for short-term swing trading over the next few days. I typically hold my trades for 3 to 10 days, and this is the time frame I focus on in my analysis. We've analyzed the relative performance of these altcoins over the past 30 days, using a base 100 for comparison. The top 16 of the 40 altcoins are displayed on screen. The central bar, orange, is the market cap. The blue bar is popularity, calculated based on sources such as Google Crux. And the green bar is the volume, taking the 30-day daily moving average. To the right, you can see the aggregated trend of these 40 altcoins for these three factors. Crypto analysts usually concentrate exclusively on market capitalization or price. However, volume and popularity are two crucial factors that should also be considered. We also have the fear and greed indicator of the crypto market, which we currently have with 27 points, in a state of fear. These indicators, correctly valued in each case together with the market cap, will give us a more accurate and realistic calculation. Let's see now what the global trend is for the category, and then we will see which are the altcoins with the best projection right now. At this time, the immediate short-term bullish potential, or probability, for the artificial intelligence category is very low, with a valuation of 30.46 points out of 100. And on an individual level, this is the valuation calculated for each of the altcoins. We see them classified in order and by color, based on their immediate short-term bullish potential. New altcoins have entered this ranking, such as Covalent X token, which enters directly into position 10. The altcoin that has risen the most positions is Nosana, which has risen 37 positions to position 3. Given the complete list, let's see the top 3 best rated. In third place we have Nosana, with a moderate short-term bullish potential, with 68.14 points. In second place we have Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, with a moderate high short-term bullish potential, with 74.43 points. And finally, in first place we have Solidus Ai Tech, with a high short-term bullish potential, with 80.87 points. And these are the overall results for the category, but what if we focus only on the low-cap altcoins, whose potential volatility is much higher? Let's see it. Top 30 altcoins with less than 10 million market cap of the artificial intelligence category. On the screen we see the comparative evolution, based on 100, of the first 16 of these 30 altcoins in each of the last 30 days. As in the global analysis, the central bar is the market cap, the blue bar is popularity, and the green bar is the volume. And to the right you can see the aggregated trend of these 30 altcoins for each of these three factors. Obviously, in these altcoins of such low capitalization we see a very high volatility in market cap and volume, and, therefore, this means that their immediate growth potential, both bullish and bearish, can be several multiples higher than that of the top global altcoins with much higher market caps. That said, as always, let me remind you that the risk with this type of altcoin is much higher and must be managed very responsibly. We can see that the best performing altcoin in terms of nominal return per market cap has been Edge Matrix Computing with a 39.27% change in the last 30 days, followed by Kazuna with 36.03% and Arbius with 32.04%. But is their short-term growth projection really the best if we take into account their trend line, volume, popularity, and market sentiment? Let's see it. At this time, the aggregated bullish, or probability, potential for these low-cap altcoins in the short term of the artificial intelligence category is very low, with a valuation of 25.96 points out of 100. On an individual level, this is the calculated valuation for each of the altcoins. New altcoins have entered this ranking, such as Deepfake AI, which enters directly into position 5. The altcoin that has risen the most positions is Edge Matrix Computing, which has risen 26 positions to position 1. And it is worth mentioning altcoins such as GameSwift, GT Protocol, and OpenFabric AI, which no longer appear in this ranking due to exceeding the 10 million market cap. Given the complete list, let's see the top 3 best rated. In third place we have DeepBrain Chain, with a short-term bullish potential of low, with 44.05 points. In second place we have Arbius, with a short-term bullish potential of low, with 46.1 points. And finally, in first place we have Edge Matrix Computing, with a short-term bullish potential of moderate high, with 76.64 points. And these are the results for the low-cap altcoins in the artificial intelligence category. As I always say, no one knows if a crypto will 100x or go to zero in the future, but we do have data and objective analysis as a benchmark. Don't forget to subscribe to stay ahead of the next trend changes and not miss out on future opportunities in this market. And also give me a like to support this little channel. Thank you for your support, and don't miss the next analysis.